How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on the plus sign at the bottom. In here at the bottom, click on story, then click on photos icon at the bottom left. It will open all your photos. Select the photo you want to add to your highlight. Then press on your story at the bottom left. Now click on Share at the bottom. After you've clicked on Share, you'll find this kind of option. In here, click on Add to Highlights. After you've clicked on Add to Highlights, select the highlight you want to add it to, and it will directly add it to the highlight. After you have done this, press on Done and go to your story. After that, click on three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, click on Archive. After that, you're good to go. This is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.